So yeah, YouTube. From me get the camera, I have a problem with it. The seat belt them did twist round and they annoy the shit out of me. So now we find a little ratchet and change it, cause why? It rough me. And every time I draw the seat belt, the twist round, I was like, why is this happening? And you might be wondering, why me have some little balls in the car, wipe on the balls? Why? The car hasn't been washed in about 2 weeks or 3 weeks, so that's why that looks up. And currently, it smells like bun and cheese. Why bun and cheese? I don't know why. It just smells like bun and cheese. So okay, if you want to change around your seatbelt or change your whole seatbelt, first you need a 14mm socket, and that's it. It's one bolt. Well, for the coupe it's one bolt. Coupe? Hatch? Coupe? Yeah. There's a hole right here. Suppose right here. And that's it. So just screw it in back. Just like this. Yep. And like, don't lose the little washer that's on it. See the little C-clip looking washer. Don't lose that. I'm sure it's important. Oh my! You see my bad ratcheting skills right now. Bad ratcheting skills right now. Wait. Snug. And that's it. So I'm cleaning the car now, and yeah, this has been a problem for a while, but you're going to see it now. Like this. And this. Right here, and even under the driver's side footwell. Yeah, it tear up bad. But so man's gonna have to find a creative way to either fix it or just change out the whole carpet in itself. But y'all ain't helping me. Hey Jada. Yeah, y'all ain't helping me. Y'all ain't giving me them views, but it's okay, it's okay. We still got time, So okay, this is one problem of the car. Yeah, see that? This is a cup holder and it has a hole. Why? You know why it have that? You know what's the problem with it? It does this. That's what came out of there. There was water in there, like, I don't know how long, because I was using this to stop the water from getting inside. And yeah, I think that's a $5 coin in there, but that's not nasty. That's nasty. Let's see. Nope, not coming out. Not coming out. You want to say when my friend card me with the about this cracker inside the car. It is bad that since my body car from about April, this has been in there, and me not even take it out. And my card me with there, I'll rename the car Crackers just because of this. But it not leave. It's like a staple. So it gets the treatment. Wait. There you go. seatbelt round it now, G. Yeah, Damien, we have to say about this now. Okay, make sure to fix it up. A1, 100% youth. At a road.